Facing a shadow ban on your TikTok account on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve the shadow ban issue on TikTok. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change privacy settings. Open the TikTok app on your iPhone. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. After that, select Privacy. Now toggle off the private account option to make your account public. Solution 2. Clear TikTok data. Go back to the TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap the three-line icon at the top right corner. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache and free up space. Solution 3. Contact TikTok support. Open up your Safari browser. Search for TikTok support in the search bar. Tap on the Report a Problem option. Then select General Account Inquiry from the drop-down menu. Now choose Banned Account from the next drop-down. Enter your email address and use username. In the Additional Details box, describe your issue. Hello TikTok support team. I believe my TikTok account has been shadow banned. I haven't uploaded any videos that violate community guidelines. Here are my details, email and username. If you have any supporting files, upload them here. Check both boxes to agree and then tap Submit. TikTok support will review your case and get back to you in 48 hours. If your appeal is successful and your account is eligible, TikTok support team will lift the ban. If your appeal is unsuccessful, you may need to create a new TikTok account. And that's it. This is how you can resolve the shadow ban issue on your TikTok account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.